In this video, I want to share with you how to install the YouTube app on your PC so that you can always access it and you can do all your YouTubing within the YouTube app. Very easy and very fantastic to use on PC. Okay, so there are two methods. The first is, let's start with adding the extension, downloading it from Chrome browser. In your Chrome browser and come to a new tab, for example. Okay, so start by coming to youtube.com. so once you come to youtube.com, you can see at the top here you have this download icon, so you just click on it and you can say install. This is going to install the YouTube app for you directly. So this is independent browsing. You're browsing independent on the main thing. This is from the app directly you are browsing. So you can navigate from different places. You can go to your YouTube studio, you can check out your videos. Okay, from here you can just go there and check out the videos and check out different things over here. So it's easy to kind of get here and to use the features interestingly and easily. So this is just the first method. The second method is actually using the Microsoft Store. So you can close this. So the second method, you have to use the Microsoft Store. Over here you have to search. Once you are on the Microsoft Store app, you have to search for YouTube, and once you search for YouTube, you have to keep coming to until you see the YouTube browser. Right, you can see it over here. You just click and it will open. You just click and then you get it installed. You install it, because I've already installed mine. So you can just, once you click on this one, you'll be able to get it, and once you get it, you can open and you could see the browser independently. Additionally, when you just come over here, you just search for, once you install, you search for YouTube and you can see the app over here, and you can always click and get to it to use it for your YouTubing and all that. You can access your content, you can edit your content and do so much more with it. So ladies and gentlemen, this is just a bit on how to download install the YouTube app on your PC. Feel free to try it on your own, and if you enjoy it or you learn anything today, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our useful videos. I will see you in my next video. Bye.